Hello?
Bro, Vale.
What's up?
Yo, where you at, bro? Waiting for you, bro. Where you at?
Yeah, I'm out there spending time with my lady. What's up?
What you mean, bro? Waiting for you, bro.
Nah, man, I can't come out tonight, y'all boys, man. Y'all gonna have to go without me.
Alright, bro. We'll see you, bro.
All right, bro, be easy. Babe, there's some really good food. So, it just need a little salt. So, can you pass the salt? Babe, can you pass the salt? Babe, can you pass the salt? Pass the salt. I done asked you 3 times already. Pass the salt. It's right here. Pass the salt. What's wrong with you? Get the damn salt myself. I don't need you. I was better without you anyway. See? Easy. You should have just passed the salt.